Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 31 रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और टॉपिक है रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस। पहला है क्वेश्चन या fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. That man who will not work must starve, or that man that will not work must starve. Such a man as he should be honored. These mangoes are not such as I bought yesterday. It is not such a pretty place as I had expected. We have need of more such men as he. He plays the game that he likes best, or he plays the game which he likes best. I do not believe what you say. My uncle, whom I love, is dead. The farmer is cutting down corn which has ripened, or the farmer is cutting the corn that has ripened. What you say is not true. A lady whom I nursed, nursed the child, or a lady that I know nursed the child. He says what he means and means what says. What pleases you will please me. I gave it to the man whom I saw there. I know what you are seeking. They that touch pitch will be defied, or they who touched pitch will be defied. You have not brought the book that I asked for, or you have not brought the book which I asked for. Only he who bears the burden knows its weight, or only he that bears the burden knows its weight. Such books as you read are not worth reading. When you speak to him, remember to whom you are speaking. I regard that man as lost who has lost his sense of shame, or I regard that man as lost that has lost his sense of shame. Wealth is not his who has it, but his who enjoys it. Or you can say, wealth is not his that has it, but his that enjoys it. People who are too sharp cut their own fingers, or people that are sharp cut their own fingers. Truth provokes those whom it does not convert. We do not know what he intends to do. It is an ill wind that blows nobody's good, or it is an ill wind which blows nobody good. Is this a dagger that I see before me, or is this a dagger which I see before me? I know to whom you are alluding. Whom the gods would destroy, they first make mad. He is the very man whom we want. Please recite what you have learned. They always talk that never think, always talk who never think. Such as have pure arts shall inherit the kingdom of heaven. This was your exercise. ये है अगली एक्सरसाइज। तब तक सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA Education।